Good morning, I'm PCG Tormento, BSN 1Y3M9A, and today I'm gonna demonstrate the bed bath, the shampooing, the oral care, and the back massage of the patient. So first, I'm gonna do the bed bath. So I'm gonna check the patient chart and the doctor's order. We need to do that for the safety and to be effective for the healthcare of the patient. After that, I'm gonna do the hand hygiene. We need to do this to be free in the microorganism. After that, I'm gonna identify the patient. Good morning, sir. I'm PCG Tormento, your nursing for today. May I ask your name, sir? How old are you, sir? When is your birthday, sir? Can I check your wristband, sir? Can I touch you, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So we need to identify the patient to be sure that this is my real patient. Okay. After identifying the patient, we need to provide privacy. We need to do that for the patient privacy. After that, I'm gonna position the bed. Okay. Let's assume that I position the bed to the elbow level. After that, I'm gonna offer to the patient a bed pan. So, sir, do you feel that you need to urinate or defecate, sir? No. Okay, that's good. So the patient said no, so I don't need to demonstrate the bed pan. So after that, I'm gonna remove the under blanket of the patient. Okay, sir. Let's put down the rails in where I'm gonna do the work, and let's stay the rails up for the patient to support. Okay. So sir, I'm gonna position you inside position, sir. That's okay, sir. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So sir, can you touch in the rails, sir? Okay. So now I'm gonna remove the underlines. So next, I'm gonna pull up the rails and I'm gonna do to the other side. So sir, I'm gonna position you to the other side. I will pull down the rails here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So sir, can you touch the rails there? Okay. And put this to the infectious plastic. After that, I'm going to position the patient and pull up the rails here. And so I will start by positioning the patient, sir. I'm going to position you. I'm going to remove this pillow, sir. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to put under pad to the head of the patient. Sir, I'm gonna put down the pad, sir. We do that to not wet the bed. Okay. After that, I'm gonna wash the towel. We have 2 towels, wet and dry. Okay. Then I will start. First, I'm gonna wipe the eyes of the patient. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Then dry it. Okay, next in the face of the patient. Okay, next dry it again. Then ask the patient to side his head. Sir, can you side your head, sir, to wipe your ears? Okay. Then dry it. Then next to the other side. Then dry it again. And next to the neck of the patient. Okay, sir. And dry it again. Okay. After that, I'm gonna wash again the towels. Then remove the underpants of the patient. Okay, sir. I'm gonna remove it. Then next, I'm gonna do in the hand of the patient. Okay. Sir, in your hand, sir. Let's just expose the hand where we're gonna do the demonstration. Then put the under pads. Then start to wash the towel. Then wipe to the hand of the patient, and the hand of patient and next to the arm of the patient. Okay, alright. Then dry it. Then next in the under of his hand. Yes, sir. Then dry it again. After that, let's remove the underpad. Next to the other hand. So first, let's put the underpads. Then wash the towel. Wipe the hand and the arm and the under of his arm. Okay. Then dry it. Then remove the underpad. For next, is for the umbilical of the patient. Okay. Just lift the blanket. Then let's wipe the umbilical of the patient in circular motion. Okay. Let assume. Okay. Let assume. Then to the abdomen of the patient. Okay. Then to the chest of the patient. Then wipe it in a clean towel. Then let's provide the privacy of the patient. Next to the legs of the patient, just expose the legs that we're gonna wipe it. Okay. Then I put an underpad. Sir. Then wipe it. Wash the towels and wipe it. The foot. Then the legs. Okay. Under the legs. Then dry it. After that, to the other legs of the patient, and remove the underpads. I'm gonna wash the towel. Expose just the one leg. Put the underpads on the leg of the patient. Then wipe the foot and the leg. Then dry it. Then remove the underpad and hide it. Next is the bata of the patient. Okay, sir. I'm gonna position you in side position, sir. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Provide the privacy. Okay. Just expose the bata of the patient. Okay. Put the underpad. Then wash the towel. Wipe the bata and the perineal. After that, wipe it with clean towel. Then remove the underpads, and we proceed to the other bata. Sir, I'm gonna position you. Then position you again to the other side. Okay. Then the wrist is just up here. Yes, sir. You can touch it. Okay. First, I'm gonna wash the towel. Put the under pad. Then push the buttock of the patient. But you can just slip the blanket of the patient. Okay. Right. Okay. After that, wipe it to the dry towel. Then remove the under pad. Then position the patient, sir. Yes, sir. Up. Then after position the patient, I'm gonna up the rails. Okay. Then I'm gonna ask the patient, sir, are you in the comfortable position? I'm gonna just put your pillow. Okay, sir. Okay. Then after that, I'm gonna remove my gloves. Then I perform hand hygiene. Then document the findings. Okay. After that, we're gonna proceed to the shampooing of the patient. So first, I'm gonna position the Then, I'm going to remove the pillow of the patient. Okay, sir. I'm going to remove it. Okay. Then, I'm going to adjust the position of the patient, sir. I'm going to adjust it. Okay. Then, I'm going to perform hand hygiene. Then, wear some gloves. So first, I'm gonna put the under pad in the abdomen, in the eye of the patient to secure that the eyes of the patient will not have a shampoo. Okay, sir. Okay. Next, under pads under the head of the patient. Okay. Next, I'm gonna start the shampooing of the patient. First, I'm gonna wet the patient in head. Okay. Like assume that we are doing it. After that, I'm gonna shampoo the patient. Carefully shampoo the patient. After that, gonna wash it. Okay. After washing it, dry it. Okay. Using the pad that we removed in their head. Okay. Next is I'm gonna brush his hair. Okay. Brush it. Then get a towel. Then towel dry the hair of the patient. Okay. Okay, sir, can you lift your head, sir? Dry your hair. Okay. After drying it, I'm gonna remove the under pad of the patient. Next, I'm gonna position the patient, sir. I'm gonna position you, sir. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put the pillow of the patient. Okay. Remove the equipment. Then, as the patient, if the position of the patient is is comfortable. Sir, are you in comfortable position, sir? Okay. Okay, after that, I'm gonna remove the gloves. Then perform hand hygiene. Then document the document the findings. Okay. After documenting the finding, next I'm gonna do the oral care of the patient. So first, I'm gonna explain the procedure. Sir, I'm gonna do oral care, sir, for your hygiene, sir. Okay. So next, I'm gonna ask the patient if there's a movement limitation. Sir, do you have any movement limitation, sir? Is there any fracture or anything, sir? Okay. So the patient have no fracture or any movement limitation. So we can let the patient just brush his mouth. Okay. So first, I'm gonna perform hand hygiene. Then wear some gloves. Then load the rails here. Then position the patient. Sir, I'm gonna position you in sitting position, sir. Okay. Okay. Now, let's put under pads in his legs. Okay. Then let's gargle the patient mouth. No. Let's brush the mouth of the patient. Let the patient do it because he has no movement limitations. Sir, can you brush your mouth, sir? Okay. Okay. Now brush, sir. Then. Let's assume that the patient finished the brushing his teeth. Next, I will remove the toothbrush. Then, let the patient gargle. Then throw it. Okay. After that, I'm gonna wipe the patient mouth. Okay, sir. Then, position the patient. Sir. After that, I'm gonna do the. After that, I'm gonna remove the gloves. Then, I'm gonna document the findings. Okay. After documenting the findings, I will do the back massage of the patient. So first, I'm gonna position the patient. Let's assume that I'm gonna position it. Provide the privacy here. Okay. So next, I'm gonna perform hand hygiene. Then wear some gloves. Then get the lotion. We assume that we remove the clothes of the patient. Then we're gonna apply a lotion. Then massage the patient. Okay, sir. Sir, you can say if there's if my body massage is hard or you are feel pain. That's okay, sir. Okay. So now I will start the. I can touch you, sir. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Now I will start. Okay. Then let's assume that the body massage is finished. Now, gonna put the clothes of the patient. Okay. Then position the patient. Okay. Sir, I'm gonna position you. Okay. Okay. Now let's provide the privacy again. Okay. Remove the item. Next, ask the patient if the patient is a comfortable position. Sir, are you in comfortable position, sir? Okay. Then, position the bed. The rails is still okay. Then, lock the bed. Then, perform hand hygiene. Remove the gloves. Perform hand hygiene. Then, document the finding.